In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Calendar event in multiple time zones. If you work with people in different cities or countries, setting the correct time zone in Google Calendar is a really useful way to avoid confusion and make sure everyone sees the event at the right local time. The good news is that Google Calendar makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This feature is easiest to access from the desktop version, so make sure you're using your browser rather than the mobile app. Once you're in Google Calendar, click Create Event to begin setting up a new meeting or appointment. After the event window appears, choose More Options. This takes you into the full event editor, where you will have access to all the scheduling details. If you stay in the smaller pop-up view, you may not see everything you need, so going into More Options is the best choice here. Next, look for the time section of the event. Near the event time, you'll see a time zone link. Click that link to open the time zone settings. This is the key step because it lets you tell Google Calendar which city or time zone you want the event to be based on. From there, select your target city or time zone. For example, if you're scheduling a meeting based on a different region than your own, choose that location from the list. Google Calendar will then use that selected time zone for the event, which helps ensure the timing is displayed correctly for attendees in other locations. Once you've chosen the right time zone, double-check the event time to make sure it matches what you intend. This is especially important if you're working across regions with daylight saving time changes, since those can affect scheduling more than people expect. When everything looks correct, save the event. Google Calendar will then handle the conversion for participants in different areas, helping everyone stay aligned without needing to manually calculate the time difference. A helpful tip is to always review the final event details before sending invitations, especially for international meetings. Even a small mismatch in time zone selection can lead to missed calls or people joining at the wrong time. And that's it. By creating the event, opening More Options, using the time zone link, selecting the correct city or zone, and then saving, you can schedule a Google Calendar event more accurately across multiple time zones.